Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at usalphawareawareness.com, an online store that claims to sell apparel for causes like breast cancer and Alzheimer's. Because nothing says, "I care," quite like buying a polyester hoodie from a website you can't even pronounce. But is this site actually legit, or is it just another digital trap? Let's dive in and see what's really going on. First, we checked the domain registration and found it was registered in April 2025. Yes. Apparently, this site is operating from the future, which is a bold strategy for a business that hasn't even established a past yet. Being this new means they have zero track record or credibility, which is exactly what you want when handing over your credit card info to total strangers. Next, we looked at the product images, and surprise, most of them appear to be shamelessly copied from across the internet. It really makes you wonder if they actually own any of these products or if their entire inventory is just a collection of right-click, save as commands. Then there's the heartwarming claim that they support breast cancer research and early detection. It sounds great on paper, but there is absolutely no evidence that any portion of their sales actually goes to charity. It's the digital equivalent of "trust me, bro," which usually doesn't hold up well when your money disappears. If you run into trouble and want to contact them, good luck. They only provide a single email address, no phone number, no live chat, and certainly no physical address. It's almost as if they've designed the site to be as hard to reach as a teenager during chores. Finally, we checked platforms like Trustpilot and found a grand total of 0 reviews. Their customer base is apparently as invisible as their business ethics. So is the site legit? Honestly, with a futuristic registration date, stolen photos, and a total lack of transparency, it's looking pretty sketchy. We'd suggest being extremely careful before clicking that buy button. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, tips, and honest reviews that actually tell it like it is.